Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to talk about MMM, the MMM system. It was established to correct the hostile financial system in the world. And what do I mean by hostile financial system? A system whereby people are being deceived to believe that your hard work, the reward for your hard work is money. That means the harder you work, the more money you make. But the evidence is there that you might be working very hard at the same time you have little to show for it. So that is not a fair system. That means money is indeed not the reward for hard work. That means that principle is wrong. It is not the principle that really applies in the financial system. What do you have in the financial system? You have a situation whereby money is printed and pushed out there, and different concepts are churned out to enslave people. It's the printer of the money that is making the money and not the people. That means the financial system is not people centric. It's not focused on the people. It's not for the benefit of the people. That's why you have so much poverty in the world, because the reward system is faulty. It's not what we are told it is. So, what am I talking about? The ideology of MMM is to correct this anomaly, to provide a fair financial system, to offer as many people as possible, regardless of their background, their race, what they do, their belief system, this fair financial system where people can realize their life goals and dreams. MMM, the Mavrodia Mundial Movement, as the name implies, is a movement towards a goal, empowerment of the people, as many people as buy into the ideology and subscribe. Millions, if possible billions. It's a platform where you subscribe, and it's a community of people who are willing to provide help for those who require help. So it's a donation exchange. You come with your spare money. Note my words, spare money. No, it's not an investment firm. It's not a bank. It's not a financial institution. It's not even a company anyway, because there is no central account you are paying money into. You have your money in your account, which is your spare money. That money you can afford to give out, because that's why you are saying come and provide help. So that $100 or whatever money in your local currency that you have to give to someone who requires help at that point in time. You come on the platform, you sign up, you have an account, which is your personal office on MMM platform, the website. When you subscribe, you provide help. You express your intention to provide help to anybody, someone who you don't even know. You see, that's the beauty of the system. There's no parochialism, no primordial considerations. Someone whom you don't even know, you provide help to the person. That is a very fair system. Unlike in the other financial world where people have to lobby for things, so it's a struggle each time before anybody gets anything from the system. So this is the fairest system you can ever get anywhere in the world. So I don't even think people should find it difficult to do this. We are saying that spare money you have in your account, come on the system, pledge, provide help, PH, to someone who require help that period. Now, while the money is still in your account and you provide help, before you transfer money to wherever the system will generate, will give you instruction that pay Mr. So or Mrs. So the money with the bank details and everything. you are already rewarded. How do I mean? You are rewarded with what we call Mavro. Mavro is the internal currency of the system, which grows at the rate of 30% per month. That is bank to bank. But if you are using Bitcoin, it's even more. It's 50%. Yes, 50%. So let me just let me use the one of 30% for the purpose of this discussion. So it grows at the rate of 30% per month. So from the point where you pledge to provide, say, $100 or let's say $1,000, your money begins to grow in your accounts. This does not happen out there. This does not happen in this hostile financial system we operate in the world. It's a complete break from that, slavery that we experience in the world. So you are asked to transfer money to the one who requires help. The person confirms, yes, he has received the money, and within 30 days, you have $1,300, which is the value of the help you can also get from the system. Having paid someone $1,000, you can also request for $1,300 from the system. Someone else will pay that to your account, and that's what happens, the cycle. Now there are different stories about it. People say, no, what is the commodity that is being traded? See, in the financial system I was talking about, it's all lies if they're telling you that it's all about the commodity. They are operating what I call pyramid schemes. The truth of the matter is that the money you have in your hand is just printed, pushed out there to enslave you, because it's their own system, which is pyramid. The banks are operating pyramids because the money they collect from all the depositors, if all the depositors are to withdraw at once, they will not be able to give it back. What does that tell you? They are paying someone, they pay someone else your money, then someone else will pay it back. It's a pyramid scheme. At the end of the day, the bankers are the ones benefiting. You are not benefiting. They have enslaved you. You are at a disadvantage. So what we are saying is that, why not get on a system that makes you the beneficiary? You benefit from the system. Now, so on the MMM platform, there are so many benefits. You have even the referral bonus of 10%. Wherever you bring to the system, each time they also contribute to the system, you are paid 10% in the Mavro. That's for the referral bonus. You also have the guiders bonuses. As a guider, you are the ones to build your team, your network in the system, and guide them into the operations and the policies of the community. Make sure that they abide by the rules and do what is expected of them. So you are also rewarded for this. You have between 1% and 5% bonuses, because there are different levels. As a guider, the first level, your downline, you have your 5%. Then the second level, you have the 3%. Then the third level, you have 1%. So there are different benefits, in MMM. Besides the 30% growth rate I talked about earlier on. So we also have the testimonial video, which from 1% to 10%, depending on the images and the quality of production. When you give your letter, when you write your letter of happiness, you attach a video, you do a video, explaining how you made you were able to get help from the system. So those are the benefits of MMM, and I think you should participate today. There are so many materials you can get from the website, even on YouTube, on many people that have benefited from the system. What matters is people should stick to the rules of the system. One, when you are asked to provide help within 48 hours. You are given 48 hours to provide help. Make sure you do so. Do not upload fake proof of payments. Do not create multiple accounts. Do not hack into people's accounts. Stay honest. Honesty is very important. If you imbibe the ideology of NMN, I know you will not even try to do that. It's when you have a different intention that you come on the system to cause all sorts of criminal activities. In any case, the system is robust, very secure. Your data is safe. Nobody will actually steal your information. And they have a number of experts who are versed in information technology working on the system. The programmers, the admin, they are very committed. So come on MMM today so that you too can enjoy the freedom that is offered. Thank you very much.